Well, one benefit I wanted to throw out, and maybe Ashok can add this too, is this implementation was just before COVID. It was the year prior. They were just starting to move into the sales department into that final step of implementing. And that was in the March of 2020, and then COVID hit. If it was the old system using Fox Pro and all the manual way of doing work, I don't think we could have had everybody go home and work remotely. But with having this system in place and being that far along, everybody just got jumped into the deep end of the pool. And that just ended up working out great because everybody did work remote, that first year. And everybody was, using Teams meeting to kind of talk with each other, but they were all using the system, and we were able to go from sales through engineering, through purchasing parts, and go through all the steps and get everything going. I don't think we could have done that with the old system as we did with the OmegaCube, so the timing of that was just perfect. In regards to efficiencies, I don't know if we can put percentages on it, but I can give you a couple examples. I think Ashok and I were talking about this yesterday. Like the parts department, we have 2 people that work in that group. And with the old system, you needed 2 people to handle all the requests. A gentleman moved on, and now we only have 1 person in that group. But with the way the system is set up now, you can do the whole thing with just 1 person. So efficiency-wise, we didn't have to go out and bring in a second person to do that workload.
In engineering, in the last 6 years, we have people retire and that kind of stuff, and at least 3 people.
And we moved 1 to sales.
Yeah, they're left. We haven't hired anybody, When we have more workload now, means the amount of jobs we push through or annual sales have grown so much, and we still can handle all this work because of the OmegaCube, We have 2 companies who we rely on that fabricating things, One of them, JMW, we've been working for like more than 35?
Since 1930s.
Oh, 1930s, Once we started using OmegaCube, in the beginning, it took a time to understand the old way we were doing and how you sending the information to them for fabrication and everything else. But they realized that within 6 months, they realized that how efficient our drawings, our bill of material, where the reporting system was there. So they also implement their ERP system. They thought it's valuable to match ours, So that also helped us to streamline both operation between the 2 companies, Now, Greenville, Wisconsin, they were way ahead of everybody, They didn't have any issues with implementing our system, and they are still. I was discussing with him. Then I was there in Greenville about 3 weeks ago, and foreman was saying he got another customer, a new customer. He said he has so much problem with the new customer because he gets bill of materials and they are changing it. They don't know revision not there. While with the Lakeside, we get it, we get drawing. He doesn't have to worry about it at all. Communication so and everything else, So it is great. Help the fabricating appreciate what we are doing.